astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Prasad.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino santu.
Everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. Hope that you're enjoying the show. Now we're going to be giving you the astro forecast, and whether you believe in astrology or you're still wondering or whatnot, you do have a sign that's associated with your birth date, so listen up.
Please join with us to congratulate those who are celebrating their birthday during this week, and to those couples whose marriage anniversary is falling during this week. May God shower good luck upon them throughout the year. Now is the astro forecast. Aries, yani ki Mesh Rashi. Aries people will be enjoying good success at workplace. Job or business does not matter. They will be very successfully leading this week. It's a very enterprising week for the Aries people. Taurus, yani Brek Rashi. Taurus people will be enjoying the bliss of God. They won't be knowing how the things are working in their favor, because all their past karmas, good karmas done in this life and past life, will come for their rescue, and they will say, oh, we are getting so quick. Gemini, yani Mithun Rashi. Gemini people do not drink and drive. Chances of false charges or real charges are very high. So this is not a good week for you so far as driving is concerned and food is concerned. Cancer, yani Kark Rashi. Cancer people, if you are in a marriageable age, you can be serious about yourself and settle down with your life partner, or if you are married, jo jhagda hai usko khatam karke settle down with your spouse. This is my sincere advice, because such combination comes very rare. Now, because moon transit is such, this is giving you a chance. Leo, yani Singh Rashi. Hard work will give you the success. No easy success. Hard work you will enjoy the success of your hard work, and you will be contented with it. Virgo, yani Kanya Rashi. Virgo people, if you are planning something in your career and you want to diversify yourself, the chances are very high for you. So you can diversify yourself, but with the proper planning, not haphazardly, please. Mm-hmm. So that's what it's.
That's very well said. Yeah, you have to have the plan, right? Didn't you say you have to have the plan, make your plan, and then work on it?
And then work on the plan.
Yeah. Okay. Well, when we come back, we'll have the rest of the signs, starting with Libra, all the way to Pisces. So we'll be right back.
Yeah. Let's.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Astro Guide. Now if you missed the beginning of our show, we were reading emails from viewers from around the world, and after that we started the Astro Forecast, and we went all the way up to Virgo. Now we're going to continue with the forecast, starting with Libra.
Libra, then Tula Rashi. Libra people, out of them, 40% will make good money through the property sale, purchase, etc. And if you are in a real estate, you are definitely going to hit the jackpot. And rest of the 60% people, they will also be busy in their household cleaning, etc. So house will be the center of attraction, whether it's a marriage discussion, whether it is a family reunion or something like that. Guests are coming, like a similar situation will be there throughout the week. Now Scorpio, yani Vrishchik Rashi. Scorpio people, if you get a chance to travel, this will be a very thrilling week for you. A very successful journey if it comes. Otherwise, this week you can enjoy the bliss of God and enjoy the success and support of many good friends and good relatives. Sagittarius, यानी कि धन राशि. जब लक्ष्मी मेहर करती है तो इंसान जो है वो गधा भी पहलवान हो जाता है. तो इसलिए Sagittarius people, Mother Nature, Mahalakshmi is smiling on you this week. You can buy a lottery Try your hard to earn more and more money. All held up money will be in your pocket. Capricorn and Makar Rashi. Success will be very easy for you. Mother Nature is showering very wonderful success. Your competitors will be spellbound. How this person has gone up like that. So this is a lucky week for you. Aquarius, yani ke Kumbh Rashi. Aquarius people, you are to be careful so far as money is concerned. Keep a tight grip on money and check your credit card bills properly, and then you will be fine. Your otherwise life is going very well. Pisces, yani ke Meen Rashi. Pisces people will be getting help from unexpected corner. Some Pisces will be getting the call from unexpected corners, and you will be surprised and meeting some old friends, talking to the old friends, your young age old friends, when you talk to them, and that will thrill your life, because when you are talking and like I'm old, if I talk to 50 years back in my life, I will feel young at the same age. So that way you generate energy. So this is for many Pisces people, talking to your old friends, talking to your old relatives, so it will be very good for you. And this is going to happen, and this week you are going to make very good money. Lot of sources, new sources of income will be showered on you. Thank you for joining us. Till next week, may God bless all of you. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. O God, shower this planet with peace, peace, peace and prosperity.
Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.